Hey dolls and friends, welcome back and thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. If you're new here, my name is Amber Michon and I do weekly DIYs and hauls. If you're not new, hey doll, hey. So today I have another round of Hump Day haul for you, and it is a Goodwill haul. It is a massive Goodwill haul. Now, I only go to one Goodwill in my local area, and this is about 2 different trips. Not 4, just 2 different trips. And I absolutely love everything that I picked up. I have been so excited shopping at Goodwill lately because I have been able to flip so many different things to make beautiful home decor. I absolutely love going thrift store shopping because for home decor items, they have really good bones. So the possibilities are endless. So let's get right in to be showing you these items. If you hear Isaiah screaming, he's getting a diaper change, so don't worry about it. And here's Caleb. So I'm not going in any particular order. I'm just gonna kind of grab and go. So the first thing I found was this tag sign. It says nobody loves you like I do. I think this is one of those signs that you can pick up from a Dollar Tree or even Dollar General. This was only 99 cents, so not too bad. Same price as what you would pick it up from the Dollar Tree. So I thought that was really cute. Then the next piece of wall decor that I have is this really fun sign, or not sign, it's a piece of wall decor. But I love that it has these metal pieces on here where you can put a jar or something on it. I've always wanted to make something like this, but the fact that it's already halfway done for me, just need to sand this down, give it a good paint job, put some mason jars or something in there, and you're good to go. And the great thing about this is you can untighten it, so that way you can make this a little bit smaller.
Look like
you guys thought of me. Yeah, like a ring. Metal ring. And this was just $1.99, and this is a good piece of wood. You guys see what I'm talking about? Good bones, that Goodwill stuff. Good bones. So I actually found 2 different styles of these wall sconces. So these are like the candlestick wall sconces. I think these are really, really pretty. Good bones, again, 2 of them. They were $1.99 each. Thought that was a little pricey for these, for the size, but I mean, hey, I really, really like them. Then the next couple of wall sconces I got were these. Again, you can put a candlestick in there. I plan on taking these off. These look like really pretty, like cute, like honey pots for like summer decor, and you just kind of twist them off. And the reason I said the other ones seemed kind of pricey at $1.99 because these were also $1.99 each as well. And it's cute. They have these little heart cutouts at the top, but really, really pretty. Good bones again. I'm gonna keep saying that because I definitely believe it. The next thing I picked up, I had Christmas in mind actually, and it is the sled. How cute is this? I don't know if somebody actually made this or if they bought it like this, but I definitely plan on making it over for Christmas. I absolutely love the bones of this. Changing up the color just a little bit to fit my style, but this was $2.99. Absolutely love this sled, or sleigh, whatever. The next piece of wall decor I bought was mainly for the frame. So the inside of it is like, it's kind of like soft material. It was only $1.99, but I bought it mainly for the frame. Look at how pretty that frame looks, you guys. Absolutely loved it. I don't think anything really needs to be done to this frame, to be perfectly honest. Maybe just clean it up a little bit, but I love the distressing lines of it. I love the white color, and I think it's really, 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 really pretty. So just putting either a picture or a decor picture in here would be perfect. Caleb, get off of that. It's not a toy. All right, give me that, Isaiah. Thank you. So the next thing I got is actually a box, but it is a toy. It has puzzles in here. There's about 3 puzzles in here. I have a completely different thing in mind for this DIY that I'm gonna do. So yeah, as Caleb takes it away and probably puts together the puzzles, I will give them the puzzles, but the box is completely mine. So I picked up a huge wall decor piece, and I cannot wait to redo this. It cost me $6.99, which might be a little bit pricey, but still, hey, it is this huge laundry sign. Like, I can't even get the whole thing in the frame, but this is what it is. It's not wood, it's more like, I don't know, but the person got this from At Home. So it was at least $24.99. At least. I'm 100% sure. Not 100%, but I'm almost positive. But anyways, I thought this would be really fun to make a huge wood round for my door. I think that it will probably take over the whole door, but I don't really care. I cannot wait to use this, and I already have something in mind, but mainly for either fall or Christmas. So that's what's going to happen with that. And for like my table decor, I picked up this little bowl. I don't know. Is it a bowl?
Yeah.
It's a wood bowl. Caleb said yeah. This cost me $2.99. This is definitely something, I've made something like this before using Dollar Tree products, using their little bowls in their party section, and then a little like wood round piece. So you definitely can do that, but mine is smaller. So I absolutely love this. Definitely think about painting this and using it as a centerpiece for a table in like my dining room or in my sitting room or something like that. I think it's pretty perfect, or even for like summer parties to put on a table or something like that. I think it would be so great. Then I also picked up a couple of baskets. You guys know me and my baskets. I have like a love-hate relationship with how expensive they are at some places. So I'm going to show you, I bought 2 of them. This one right here cost me only $1.99. Now, I don't have it around me right now, but I bought a basket that was triple smaller than this. Is that even a phrase? I don't know. This one is 3 times bigger than the one I bought from the Target dollar spot, and that was $5. This one was only $1.99, and I love this. I think this is just, it's in really good condition. I love the color of it, and I love just how firm it is. Like, it is, it's nice. I really like it. So clean that off and use that. And then I bought another basket that is probably 3 times the size as that one. This one was $3.99, but look at how big this is. Look at how pretty this is. Gotta clean it out a bit on the inside, obviously, but I absolutely love this. This would go perfect in my sitting room or even my dining room, and probably my sitting room, to put like little blankets or little mini pillows in there or something like that. My sitting room doesn't get a lot of traffic, but it's really nice to put like all the pretty decor that I either make or buy, and I think this would be perfect for that. I absolutely love this, and I can't wait to decorate with stuff inside of this for like Christmas. That'll be really fun. And then I bought a galvanized like bucket planter. I love these. I have seen these at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, even Walmart, but I just cannot bring myself to pay like $10 or more for it. Hey, if that's not a lot to you, go for it. Buy as many as you want. I just don't want to do it. So I bought this one for $1.99, and I love it. I love galvanized things like this. I don't feel like you need to do much change with it. You can paint it if you want, but I just really like the galvanized metal look to it. Adding some greenery or some florals to it seasonally, I think would be perfect. And it was only $1.99. Then I also found a trio of vases or vases. So each of these were $2.99 each. A little bit pricey, but I think that somebody got this from like Home Goods or At Home or something. I'm not quite sure what is inside of here. I want to say it's a shell, and I don't know why I haven't opened it yet, but I'm just going to open it right here with you guys. So this is another size. So they are shells that are on here. These are definitely coming off because small kids and this noise, they're just going to want to play with it. So I have this small one, this tall one, and just a thicker mid-sized one. $2.99 each. Like I said, a little pricey, but the quality is really nice. The color is really very pretty, and I don't plan on doing much to them instead of just taking this off, and I think they're really cute. Another item that I picked up that I am super excited to make some changes to in DIY is this cute little box. How adorable is this? Now the duck is cute, yes, but the size, the shape of it is even more adorable. I love that I can take this top off. It has this top on it, this knob. It's screwed in, so I can keep this if I want. I can change it or whatnot, but it's also a really good size to put items in. But I absolutely love this, and this only cost me $1.99. So that was a steal. The next thing I got is a tray. If you guys have seen a few of my Goodwill hauls, I always get a tray, and this time was no different, and I absolutely love this one. Cannot wait to DIY. Look at this. This only cost me $1.99. $1.99 for this awesome tray. This is wood, and I think this was like dry erase board. It feels like it, but I don't know. I don't know what they had on it or what they were doing with it. I don't really care, but it's definitely getting a nice makeover from me. I like the black, but I have black and white in my sitting room. That's kind of the theme over there. But I would really prefer if this was white, or even if I could stain it. I don't know, I would have to stain it down a lot before I could stain it. But I think this is so nice, and it's so huge for just $1.99. Look at that, you guys. Love this buy. I only have a few items left, but this next one I absolutely love, and I don't see any changes really happening to it because I love the color. Look at this candlestick, you guys. This only cost me $1.99 as well. I'm not sure if this came like this. It probably did, or if somebody painted it and distressed it, but I absolutely love this. I love the detail work to it. I just love everything about this. Now, this doesn't fit everything that I have in my house, but I have one particular room that I could put it in, which is my dining room. Probably go in a buffet, or probably go in like my hutch or something like that. I absolutely love this piece, and for $1.99 I could not beat it. Just needs a little bit of cleanup, maybe another paint job and more distressing, but I absolutely love this. Look at this. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit better of a close-up to this detail work. How pretty, right? Love this. Yes. Now, these last few items that I picked up were actually free from Dollar Tree. Yes, free. So apparently my Dollar Tree has been really backed up bringing the items into the store and sorting them out. So a lot of the items have been left on the side of the road, like right on the side where these other stores are. Into the line to where you drop off your donations for the Goodwill. So I saw a few people out there shopping on the corner. So I was like, hey, let me go see what's happening over here. So I asked them, like, hey, what's going on? They're like, oh, the guy said it's too much stuff for them to process, so it's, you know, they don't really care if you come and pick it up or whatnot. I was dropping off a few items. So a couple of people were lined up saying, hey, you can have whatever I drop off here. They can't process it fast enough, and the workers say, hey, it is what it is. So all of these next few items were free for me, and let me tell you, they were some good items. So first up, I have this wall decor piece. Absolutely love these with these succulents. I think this is so pretty. Now I don't really care for like the border around here. I think they tried to make it look like a wood border, but what I would do is probably cut out the canvas over on the top and then do it inside out, where I would put the canvas on the back side, so that way it is showing like a wood frame. I believe this is a MDF frame. So I would definitely show it to where you see the actual wood frame or MDF frame or whatever. But I absolutely love this, and the fact that it was free made me even happier. I think it's so pretty. So the next few items I picked up are actually wreaths, and I love picking up wreaths from the Goodwill because most of them people have made, and they have really good florals on them. So that's where I've been getting a lot more of my florals lately from, especially the colorful ones, is from the Goodwill. So, but I found this, and it is so pretty. I cannot wait to dismantle it and do something else with. But look at this, you guys. Oh my goodness. How pretty is this? I'm not sure what this was used for, maybe like over the door, but look at the greenery in there. So pretty, right? I absolutely love this. I think the florals are really nice. It's good condition, great condition, if you ask me, and whoever made this is like really good at what they do. Bye-bye. And then this is the next wreath that I picked up. I love the colors in this wreath. I think it's very pretty, but my favorite part of the wreath is actually the wreath form itself. I absolutely love all of these twigs put together. I think it is a great base for to make something really, really beautiful, and I cannot wait to do this over. Absolutely love that. Then the next thing I got is not a home decor item, but it's something that I just needed, and it is a backpack. It's a really nice backpack. I just need to Lysol it down just a bit, but it is in great condition. It's like literally no scratches, no scuffs, no like thread like hanging or ripping. It's a really good quality backpack, and it was free. The next and the last item is probably my favorite of everything, and it was also free, but I cannot show it to you while I'm sitting down here because it is too big and it is too heavy. So let me show you. Look at how gorgeous this clock is. It is so huge. It is so pretty, and it's almost as tall as Isaiah, and he is just loving playing with it. I don't know why it has fascinated him so much, but I absolutely love this. It has very good bones, as I've been saying throughout this entire video. When you turn it to the back, it is battery operated, so I just have to change the batteries out of it and just clean it up. This one, I really just have to clean it up, maybe do a little bit of a paint job on like the iron, like metal part, and then I'm not too much of a fan of like the cage that the clock is behind. I think it's still really cute, but I have some ideas on how to flip this, so stay tuned for that. But I absolutely love this piece, and the fact that it was free is a win in my book. Alright dolls, that's all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. If you're new, I would love if you would consider subscribing and hitting the bell right next to it so you're notified every time I upload. Alright dolls, be blessed, stay safe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye! Move, Caleb.
I'm gonna sing that.
No, not right now.
I think the intro.
Huh?
I think it's the intro.
Can you what?
I think it's the intro.
I have no idea. All I heard was intro. And I haven't even filmed it yet.
That is good. I'm singing all that. Come on, Isaiah.
Are you serious? Oh, here he comes. Your nose is so dirty. What is going on? Can you wipe it all on me?
He's
Oh, you stink!
You stink, Isaiah. Get off of me. You stink.
Here, go tell Daddy to change the diaper. Oh, God. Did it come through? Go tell Daddy to change his diaper, Caleb. Go. You stink. Oh, it went through. Oh. Oh, go tell Daddy to change your diaper. How did this happen? Do you have diarrhea? Marcus! Marcus, help! Go get Daddy. What? Caleb wants me to show you guys the picture that he made for me at school. What is it again?
It's the Princess Mario. They live at the water.
It's the princess. It's Mario is rescuing the princess from the water park. And I'm the princess, and
No, that's the
I'm not
princess.
the princess.
He's the head.
He's the head.
Yeah, he got help.
So he wanted me to show you guys this, and he did not want me to forget. He put it right here in front of me. Okay, is that it? Am I done? Okay, good job.
You can put it right here. You can put it right here because it's cute.
It is. You want me to put it? Okay, is that good right there?
I can see it.
Okay, so you want me to stand it up? Like that? Yeah, okay. You good? That's good? Can I finish?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Smell better? You smell better? Say hi.
Hi.
What? I think it is Kayla. What's your name? Isaiah. Who's in here?